Hey y'all, this is Kim with Creative Escapades. If this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. I'm so excited that you joined me today, and I'm excited to show you what I'm going to be making. So sit back, relax, and I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, so my project today is this 12-ounce stainless steel coffee cup, and I am going to do a little sanding on it just to rough it up a little bit, clean it with some Dawn dish soap, and then spray it with some white matte spray paint so that I can get my design ready to go. And I've already mixed up my resin, which I'm using Rustoleum resin, and that is a 1-to-1 ratio. And I've already mixed in my micas. This is going to be a simple design because I'm not putting glitter on this, so I am not putting down a base layer of clear resin. I'm just going straight in with my mica powdered resin. This one that I'm using right here is called Let It Snow, and it is from Magic Moon Micas. This is a gorgeous pearly white, and once you get it on there and get it all smooth, it has that swirly pearl look to it, and it just really shimmers. It's gorgeous. So I'm just putting it on there with my stir stick and just kind of drizzling it and then smearing it around. I'm not concerned about trying to get it every single place right now. When I apply the heat to it, that will even it out, and then everything will be covered. And now I'm going in with the red on the base of the cup, and I'm using Saint Nick, aka Divine Misdemeanors. That is also from Magic Moon Micas. I'll list the link in the description box below to Magic Moon Micas. These are some gorgeous, gorgeous mica powders. I like to use them. And I'm doing the same thing with the red that I did with the white. I am just using my stir stick and just kind of drizzling it and smearing it around a little bit. And then I will come back with my heat gun and heat this up, and it will even out and we'll get the entire cup surface covered. And I did this twice. I did 2 layers doing the identical same thing, so I didn't film the second time that I added the resin and micas. I just did this part right here. So I'm heating it up, and as it heats, it starts to smooth out, and you can see that I can get more of it smooth onto the surface of the cup. Making sure that everything is covered. And then I'm going to heat it a little bit more, and then I'm going to use my finger and make sure that every surface is covered. And I want to try to make the white and the red, where they meet, kind of mingle just a little bit to give that swirled look, like they're blending into each other without turning it pink. I'm just smoothing it out, and I'll let this turn overnight. I will come back and do it again and let that turn overnight, and then it will be ready for the decal. So this is the actual speed that it was going. Not quite that fast. I'm just making sure that everything is covered, And then I'm swirling my finger around just to give it a little bit of design in there. And now this is after the second coat of the mica powders and resin, and I have my decal ready. I printed the decal out on Waterslide paper, and then I sprayed it with 3 layers of clear matte spray sealer, and that's to make sure that my ink stays on my paper. I have just a desktop inkjet printer that I use, but if you do not seal it, it will, as soon as it hits that water, that ink is gone. So I'm just going to let it soak a little bit until it starts to move off the back of paper. And I trimmed this one down out of the center because it would be easier to work with, and I wouldn't have to worry about any water or bubbles getting underneath the part that is between the word and the star over top. So right here in the B, there's a little manger scene, and it is so precious. It's cute as it can be. It's Mary and Joseph and then a manger. So I'm just making sure that everything is laying down flat and that there's no water or bubbles left beneath the water slide. And then I'm going to let this dry for a little bit, and I'm going to put a top layer of resin on it. And this is what it looks like. Is it not gorgeous? Those colors swirled together so perfectly where they met. I didn't have a pink mess, and you can see Mary and Joseph in the little manger right there. I just love this design. And you can see the pearl white swirling down into that red. I love it. Isn't that cute? So I hope you've enjoyed this video. And if you have, please click like and share. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can do that now. And ring that bell next to it, and you'll get notified when I upload future videos. If you have any comments or questions, leave them below in the comment section. I love to hear feedback on what I'm doing and whatever you think about it. And I want you to know that all that kind of stuff makes my channel grow. And I am so appreciative that you would take your time out to look at what I create, and then leave your feedback and share it and comment and all that. So I want to thank you for joining me today, and I hope to see you in my next creative escapade. Bye bye for now.